Hello guys, so it's me Rabi Sam Steel, and today's vlog guys, we will do a comparison between the Holyland Lark M2 and the Holyland Lark M2S, so you will not get confused. So again, this is a quick comparison and reason why still I will keep the Lark M2 to use in some project or some videos. So guys, but again, before anything else, if you like this content, if you like photography, if you like this channel, please consider to subscribe and hit the notification bell so at least you'll be updated for all the videos that I will upload regarding photo, video tutorial, and comparison. So without further ado, let's start now guys. Again, we have here the previous Lark M2, which is a white version. Actually, you have two versions, white and black. And we have here the Lark M2S, which is I have the black. And currently using the Lark M2S. That's why you cannot recognize. Let's check the comparison guys. Again, if you have Lark M2X, if you have Lark M2, which is the combo with the Lightning, USB-C, and for camera, again, this is the combo rise. You have the Lightning separate, you have USB-C separate, and you have here in the box, in the charging case, the TRS connector. Yeah, so you have three, and you have your magnetic style of microphone. It's circle and it's magnetic on the side. Yeah. So this is the Lark M2. Now the Lark M2S is released yesterday, right? Before yesterday. Before yesterday, January 9. Yan. So this is the mic itself. It's very tiny, and I don't know if you can recognize. Yan. Actually, this is the mic. You have two mic or transmitter. So this is not a mic, this is a clip. The mic itself is the smaller version, the smaller circle. So this is the mic, the small one, this one. This is the mic, and this is just the holder. And you have the orange button here, one click button to activate the noise cancellation. So again, one click button for the orange to activate the noise cancellation. Similar with the previous Lark M2. So you have here the green yellow button. Here is orange. So you have two, orange and blue. Yeah, to activate the noise cancellation, just one push button, then you have an activate noise cancellation. So you have here in the box the USB-C, similar with the previous one. See, you have the USB-C, similar size. Yes, similar size, and yeah. And now the Lightning, because most of iPhone starting from iPhone 15, 16, it's already like USB-C. So 14 down, it's Lightning. But again, guys, in Lark M2S, you have also Lightning, which is USB-C to Lightning adapter, including the box. But I forgot to bring the box. So yeah, again, still the Lark M2S you can use for iPhone 14 or down the model 14, 13, 12. Yeah. So that is the main comparison, but size, sound quality wise, I think they're almost the same guys. So let's try to compare the sound quality of these two microphones. So what's the reason why still I will keep the Lark M2? Because again guys, the transmitter have a sticker. So you have a black, white, smiley sticker. So one of the transmitter I put black, and one of the other transmitter is white. So if your subject is wearing white or black, so you can choose which one you will choose. Like if for example, I have here the white and I have logo white here, I can put the white logo, and it's still like I have a logo, not a microphone. So actually this is a microphone. So it's like a part of your logo. But if I use black, it's still fine because my shirt is black. So I have here black, then black in the middle. So and so if you have a subject wearing black or wearing white, wearing dark, so still you can use this one. So again, the sound quality, I love the sound quality both of these Holyland Lark Max, Holyland Lark M2 and M2S. So again guys, this is the sound quality of the Holyland Lark M2S. So we will try to switch for the Holyland Lark M2. So guys, this is the Lark M2. So this is the sound quality of Lark M2 If you want to compare the sound between the Lark M2 and M2S, just try to backward the video clips, and check the sound quality both of Lark 2 and Lark M2S. I will not do any adjustment. Again, what you hear is direct from the Holyland Lark M2 microphone. So again, guys, this is a quick comparison between the Lark M2 and M2S. So if you go to the store, if you want to check the M2 and M2S, at least you have idea what's the difference between M2 and M2S. Again, first you have a magnetic microphone. This is the M2. I have one here. It's magnetic clip. But the M2S, it's very tiny and just a clip. You can clip, direct the clip, and done. You have a very nice invincible microphones, like invincible, guys. So, yeah, but both microphone have the best sound quality. So again, this is the Lark. This is the sound quality of the Lark M2. Yeah. So again, guys, I think that's it for today's vlog. Again, if you want to check the price and availability of these two Holyland Lark M2, M2S, you can visit our website www.abworld.com. So yan, guys, hanggang dito na lang. Thank you, and again, check our Holyland Lark M2, M2S, Lark Max. We have also the Lark Max. Just check, guys. Yan. So hanggang dito na lang. Thank you, and thank you kay Mozi. Yan. And mabuhay.